welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy, aka Mud Body Girl Roxy Tyrell, and today we have another try on haul from Shein. If this is your first time stopping at my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also leave me a comment in the description box. Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright you guys, so this is the first two items that I got from Shein. It's like laundry basket. It has the word laundry basket in gold detailing on here. I actually got two trash cans that's the same color as these. So this is one, and I have another white one in my bathroom. So this is the black one. With the black one you could actually see the actual gold detailing on here. So yeah, this is the next item. Alright you guys, so I guess in my last video I forgot to actually put the prices and probably the links and stuff in the description box. I am sorry. So let me tell you guys how much I paid for this. So the white one was, well, both of them was $11.29 each on Shein. This is the first piece of clothing. Oh, it's a onesie, cheetah print. So I got this for $6.08. All right, so let me go ahead and try it on. All right, you guys, so I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties trying to see how you put this crap on. Alright you guys, so there's no way possible for me to figure out how to do this. Well, I figure it out, but the strings ain't working. So this is the item, y'all. This is how the back is. My ring light is reflecting, but I don't know how to get it like that. So let me just work with what I can do. But okay, so this is how this fit on me. I think I got this in a size small, luckily. But yeah, so this is how it fit me really well, actually. I just can't put it on by myself. All right, so this is the next item that I got. So let me go ahead and try this on, y'all. Okay you guys, so this is the next item. I guess it's a t-shirt. I think it is a t-shirt, yes. I got it in a size medium. Let me see what's on here. Be happy, that's what it marked. I got it for $9.56. So yeah, really big oversized t-shirt. Normally wear a t-shirt with like shorts or like biker shorts. But yeah, this is it. It's just like a little tie-dye shirt. The material feel okay, I must say. So that's the next item, you guys. Okay, beautiful people, so next on the list, I'm gonna have a lot of mess to clean up. Oh, okay, so I got this onesie. Oh, it's kind of ruffled on the side, so that's dope. I like that. I think I got this in a medium or a small. So I got this in a medium and I paid $14.77 for it. So let me go ahead and put this on. Okay you guys, I like this. Okay sis. Okay, so it do got a zipper in the front. Okay. Oh, let me show you guys the length on it. It's not all that long. So it's like a biker short type of thing. But yeah, the material is nice. It kind of feel like polyester, more like. But yeah. Okay, y'all. So this is the next item. Ooh. Okay, so next on the list, I got these, you know, little bralette, 3 in a pack. Comes with the white and the pink. I wore the black one already. It's a little bit big. As far as the sizing, I got a medium. I don't know why I keep doing that to myself. I paid $9.56 for it. So yes, it was a little big but yeah, my mistake. All right, you guys, so this is the next item. Okay, it's just a little shorts that mark sport. So let me go ahead and try this on and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the shorts. I love it. Yeah, you never can go wrong with some shorts. I got it in a size small. I paid $4.34 for it. I love it. And this top, which is a onesie, I got this also. I paid $6.08 for it, and I got it in a size medium because I got it in a size medium because I didn't know how the fit is gonna, be. The cut is like super high. Let me show y'all, like super high. It's a lot of space in the back. It's a medium, it's big, but I'm gonna go ahead and repurchase it. I'm covering the nips because I don't have a nipple cover on, so yeah, so this is it for the next item, you guys. I love it, and the color is super cute. So yep. All right, so this is the next item. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's a onesie type, biker short type of thingamajig. Fun fact, if y'all didn't know, I love me some onesies. Love. I can't find this on, I got in a size small, which I'm really happy that I did. Oh my god, I'm so happy. And I paid $6.08. Mind you, this is the prices with the coupon and stuff, okay? So yeah, this is this, y'all. Love it. The material feels so soft. We all know it's not cotton, baby. But yeah, this is the next item. Okay, so last but surely not least, I got this beautiful two-piece. It's in burgundy. I hope I didn't get it in a size medium. I got it in a size medium and I paid $10.54 for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this one on, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. Really cute. I like burgundy because it looks good on my skin. The strap is adjustable. I gotta do that when I take it off, but yeah, this is how the back looks. I'm sorry, y'all, but yeah, this is this item. I love it. I'm sorry, I do. But yeah, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is it for this haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will link the items down in the description box. This time I will. I promise I will. Alongside the price. Well, I told y'all the price, so I don't need to link the price. But I'm gonna go ahead and link the item like in order as how I showed it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm posting every Wednesday at 12 noon Mountain Time, Arizona time, or time does not change, okay? So yeah, that's what I will be doing, y'all. So if you guys want to see more videos from moi, keep watching and make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. Peace.